It's your special day, so let's rejoice with laughter, love, and a joyful noise. May your heart be filled with glee on this day of celebration for thee. Happy birthday to you. May your dreams come true. Wishing you a year of bliss, filled with love and happiness. May all your wishes come to life and bring you happiness and strife. Surround yourself with those you hold dear as we celebrate another year. Happy birthday to you. May your dreams come true. Wishing you a year of bliss, filled with love and happiness. May all
This is Christian Bautista. Happy birthday. This is my gift for you. A kiss. And I hope that this year will be one of your best. God bless you. Happy birthday. Nakikita ko birthday mo raw. Enjoy mo yan. Happy birthday. God bless.
Hello! And happy birthday! Kamusta ka na? Enjoy ka ngayong araw mo. God bless you.
Happy birthday. Ang prayer ko ay sana'y mas maging malusog, maging masaya, at mas maging maunlad. Continue to be kind, continue to touch other people's lives, and once again, mula po sa aking puso, isang maligaya, mapayapa na kaarawan. Stay kind.
Happy birthday to Beauty Gonzalez. Enjoy your birthday and God bless you. Ingat po palagi. Bye!
Happy birthday po. God bless you. May you have many more. Oh, by the way, I'm Sharon. Nice to meet you. No, nice. Never mind. See you soon.
Let me do something. It's found in the book of Psalms, the 92nd Psalm, the 14th verse. It says, I will keep you fruitful even in old age, fresh and green. So I'm not going to say how old you are, because really, if that promise is real, then you never really get old, right? Happy birthday. See ya.
I just wanted to say, happy birthday, surprise! Sana naging sobrang masaya po ang iyong special day. Happy birthday! Mwah!
Happy birthday po, and all the best. God bless.
I'd just like to greet you happy birthday. God bless you. Hope to see you.
Happy birthday. So the best and birthdays to come. Enjoy your life and be happy always. And don't forget to pray to God. Give thanks. Thank you.
Happy birthday po. Sana makarating ako sa inyong kaarawan. Lagi po kayo mag-ingat. God bless you and more power. At lagi po ingatan na inyong health. I love you.